Alright. Oh, wow, we are so out of focus right now. I hope the car was in focus. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel today. We got a couple little things going on. Right now, we're at the car wash to wash the car because, well, yeah, it's not a very nice day out, but that needs to be gone. It's all on my wheel well and everywhere. So we're just gonna give her a quick rinse down. And then we got a light out, headlight out, so we're gonna take care of that. And then, here, I'll show you guys this real quick. Got that new coil pack cover. So I have a video of me putting that on, so I'll throw that in here. Other than that, I don't know. This is the light that's out the low beam on this side, on the driver's side. So let's clean her off real quick. This happened when me and my girlfriend went to one of those drive-through like Christmas light things, and they had us drive through the mud, and this was actually at a racetrack that they did it at. So I don't know why they would think that's a good idea, but let's clean her up. See, this will get it all. Alright guys, I don't know if you can see me at all, how this focus is doing, but got the car clean. Go back to the apartment just so I can pull that headlight out of the car so we can see what bulb we need, and then we're gonna go to Advance and get the new one. Then I'll show you guys the clip. And also, as you guys could hear from when I started the cars, a couple things that need fixed on it. One being the belt, obviously, but it's the tensioner is bad on it, and the tensioner is $209 or something like that. So I'm gonna have to wait to do that. And then there's something rattling on the exhaust. I'm guessing from where quite a few videos back, where I just took the muffler off just to see what it would sound like. I think maybe they're rattling out, so I gotta check those out. And then obviously we need a new exhaust because it's so quiet. So yeah, stay tuned for all that. So yeah, let's head back to the apartment. All right guys, so we got this new coil pack cover from Velocity Aeroworks, because as you see, that one's just kind of screwed because these two bolts wouldn't come out while I was trying to get the spark plugs done. So we just took grinding wheel to them and grind them off. So let's replace that now. You guys go. I got one screw in it because I had to take the other one to get to match which ones I need. So I got that one's off. I'm gonna throw this on there for now. Probably gonna end up painting the heads of these screws black to match the powder coat on it. So I got there. Alright, get a screwdriver, screw this down. There's a cat. Too tight. Should I tighten that one down with my hand more? Alright. Alright, that's good for now. Looks good. Shot at Velocity Aeroworks. Dude just came out of nowhere. Chill. Alright, yep. Tighten those down. Can't get that one yet because I don't have a drill, and I gotta drill that out. Or if anyone knows a better way to get it out, tell me. So here's that tensioner. I don't know if you can actually tell. Way too much play in that. And that belt's fucked because of it. We'll get that taken care of. Alright, as you guys can tell, we are not going to be replacing the headlight on the COIL today. Those aftermarket headlights have they're special headlights in them, so I got to figure out where to get them and all that kind of stuff. Even this would be easier if I had a garage, so hopefully we have one coming soon. Not sure yet, but if not, we'll be in the barn again. So check out the clip from me putting on that coil pack cover, and then might be the end of the video. Got some Stradman on here. Watching some Stradman. Gonna edit this video. Like, subscribe. Yeah, y'all have a good one. This is what it looks like when you walk into a house right now. Doggos everywhere.